Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and I'm hosting today from Detroit, where I'm attending the Realize Live show. I will be at the Four Colors booth tomorrow, and you can come see me if you see this post and you want to talk about some really cool techniques. Today, I wanted to show how you can create, or I should say, copy paste constraints on components. So, for example, I've got this little tab and I've got this little fastener, and I'm going to use the concentric command to grab the under edge of the tab, and I'm going to put it on a edge of this gusset, if you will, and say OK. So now that I've got that, I have the tab with the constraint on it, and I can literally just click on that tab and say Control C. I'm copying it, and then I say Control V and I'm pasting it, and as soon as I do that, NX asks me for a location for the next constraint. So I select the constraint and the tab goes there. I say OK. Again, Control V. This time I want a tab down here. So click there, say OK. Again, Control V. I want a tab right here. Nice. So once I have these tabs here, since I used the concentric constraint, I can still rotate them about this way. Hit apply, select this one, push it down here. Oops, that, hit apply, etc. You get the idea. And then, likewise, this time I'm going to use a line lock, and I'm going to select the underside of this fastener, and I'm going to select the edge of the tab. There we go. And you get that. Say OK. So then I want to put a few of those in the model, in the assembly, I should say. So I select upon it. I say Control C, click out, Control V, and now it's asking me where to select the edge for the align lock. So I put one there, I say OK, Control V, I put one here, say OK, Control V, and finally I select that edge. So as you can see, this is a beautiful time saver, and this is just one of those techniques that you just kind of have to know, and it's wonderful. Again, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and if you are attending the Realize Live show here in Detroit 2026, please come find me in the Four Colors booth and say hello. I'm also going to be showing this awesome thing that we put together where we can show, with a VR headset, we could show a component, a real live component, with the PMI callouts shown on the real live component with virtual reality. So I'll be having two headsets out there, and whoever comes, I'll show you that we have programmed this tool that enables you to do these fantastic inspections, because you can see the actual component and you can see the PMI that's related to the component right there on a VR headset. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you can. Help us out on the channel. And I'll be seeing you on the next post. Thanks again.